All the AI talking avatars you see in the video right now were created by me. And yes, all of it was done completely free. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your own AI talking avatar just like this.
This is AI talking avatar created by AI with Gary.
However, you must watch the full tutorial to fully understand and apply it. For creating ultra high quality and realistic avatars, check out my website for the ultimate guide.
Of course, free often comes with its own set of challenges, and you'll need to be prepared for that. First off, you'll need a GPU with at least 8 GB of VRAM. I'm currently using an RTX 3060 Ti, which, as of now, costs around $400 on Amazon. However, despite having a decent GPU, it doesn't help much when it comes to running open source tools in ComfyUI for AI video generation. This is because running the workflow to generate the video takes quite a bit of time. But you don't actually need to own a powerful GPU to start using these tools. One great option is runninghub.ai, a platform that lets you rent cloud GPUs and run your AI workflows there for free, or at a very low cost. It's perfect if you're just experimenting or don't want to invest in hardware yet. All the relevant links mentioned in this video are listed down below in the description. And even if you don't use either option, I still recommend watching this video because it'll equip you with essential knowledge about AI that could inspire your own ideas. Who knows? Maybe you'll come up with a way to create AI avatars even better than today's top software. Alright, let's jump into the main part of the video. To create a free AI talking avatar, you'll need to prepare 3 things. First, a character image. For the best results, choose a clear portrait image with the character's face fully visible and facing forward. Second, a voiceover audio. You can record your own voice or generate it using any AI voice tool. It doesn't need to be long. Something under 10 seconds is enough for testing. Third, a motion model. There are several open source models you can download and use for free from platforms like Civitai. Use keywords like live portrait, talking avatar, AI talking, or AI lip sync to find the right model for your needs. After researching and testing, I've found the 2 best options that you'll only need to focus on: ComfyUI Live Portrait KJ and ComfyUI Sonic Lip Sync. I might do a full tutorial on Live Portrait KJ in a separate video, but in this one, I'll guide you step by step on how to use Sonic Lip Sync inside ComfyUI. From downloading the necessary materials, setting everything up, and using the workflow to generate the AI talking avatar you want. If you already have ComfyUI installed on your machine, you're ready to move on. But if you don't have ComfyUI yet, or you're not familiar with how it works, I highly recommend watching this tutorial I made first, then come back to this video once you're ready. Now let's assume you already have ComfyUI installed and set up. The next step is to download the necessary AI models and files required for this workflow. You can find all the necessary files via the link in the description below. Download everything to your computer and place the files into the correct folders as shown in the guide. This part is pretty straightforward, so I'll go over it quickly. Let's do a quick check to make sure everything's in place. Go to your ComfyUI folder, then open the Models folder, and then open the Checkpoints folder. Make sure the SVD SafeTensors file is available there. Next, go back to the ComfyUI folder, then into the Models folder, create a Sonic folder, and ensure all the files and subfolders match mine. Check carefully, otherwise your workflow will run into an error. If everything matches, you're good to go. Now, download the workflow file I've prepared for you. Simply drag and drop the JSON file workflow file into ComfyUI. And just like that, 90% of the setup is done. You're almost ready to start generating your own free AI talking avatar. Next, let's go over the settings in the workflow one more time to ensure everything is correct. First, in the checkpoint loader, make sure that SVD SafeTensors is selected. In the Sonic Loader node, ensure that UNetPTH is selected. For the custom nodes, Sonic Sampler and Video Combine, just make sure that all the settings are using the correct values. You don't need to fully understand these values, as they are not that important. After that, upload the voiceover audio. I recommend using an audio clip of around 4 seconds. Then, upload the avatar image. As mentioned, you should select a clear image of the face with proper dimensions to create the talking video for the AI tool model, which I've provided in the description. Next, for video quality, select the minimum resolution as low as possible. Do not try to create a resolution higher than 800 pixels, as you will definitely run into an out-of-memory error, because the GPU won't have enough capacity to store and process it. Next, in the duration section, set the value equal to the length of the voiceover audio. Once everything is ready, click Q to start generating the video. After some time, my video has finally been generated. As you can see, the speed is an issue, as it took me over 13 minutes to generate just 10 seconds of video. And here is the result. You can see that it's disappointing for the first attempt. The reason for this is that with an RTX 3060 Ti with 8 GB of VRAM, I could only run at a resolution of 384, so the video quality is quite poor. Next, I continued using Running Hub AI to try higher quality settings. As you can see, there are some differences in the workflow. For this workflow, I added 2 nodes to resize the image in case the uploaded image doesn't meet the required standards, which helps generate the best results and gives you more control over the input image size. On the right, you can see the videos I've created here. With Running Hub AI, the generation time has significantly decreased because this cloud AI supports the RTX 4090 with 16 GB of VRAM. You can try it out if you don't have a high-spec PC. To use the workflow and try it right away, you can click on the link I've provided in the description. Even with Running Hub, you still can't select any resolution you want. You can only go up to a maximum of 700 pixels. Otherwise, you will encounter the out-of-memory error. When using this free open source tool, I encounter this error quite frequently, and it's really frustrating as it wastes a lot of my time. Additionally, if you increase the length of the audio, the likelihood of encountering this error also increases. That's why, up until now, generating high-quality content for free is still quite challenging. I will update you all if I find a new method to create a truly high-quality free AI talking avatar. In the meantime, you can check out my website. I've created an 18-minute video that provides a detailed guide on how to create realistic AI talking avatars, which I am currently using. I also offer many other tutorials, saving you both time and money by providing the best and most affordable tools. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it helps you create amazing AI content. If you have any questions or need further support, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest tutorials. See you in the next video.